Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time tuning in, you already know what to do. Go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell. Guys, if you could probably tell by the title, you already know what's going on in this video. We got our shop lights in. It's time to install them. I'm super hyped. I can't wait to get electricity in this shop and start working and doing projects in here, man. So the lights is like just the first step so we can see, basically. So I'm gonna show you guys the lights. Probably can tell from the title a little bit what kind of lights we got, but these lights are freaking awesome, guys. I got a pretty good deal on them from off of Amazon. I'll link the product link down in the description. Probably can't beat that pricing on what I got them, but I got the Barina. Let me see right there, the Barina 4-foot LED lights. They have multiple descriptions on Amazon. You might find them under shop lights, garage lights, LED bars, all kinds. They got multiple names for them on Amazon, so I'm sure you guys will be able to find them. If you don't use the link that's linked down below. So basically, there's two sizes that they offer. You can get the 4-foot or the 8-foot. The 4-foot is gonna work best in my application because the beams are the lengths of the beams are just right enough to where a 4-foot light will fit. An 8-foot would be just too long to fit the way I want them to fit. So with the 4-foot, they're gonna work perfectly. These things are super bright, guys. You might be looking at them and like, man, it's not gonna light that shop up. These things are bright. I've been just testing out 2 of them just at night while I come in and do a few little things at night. I got this one and this one sitting right there. They're super bright, guys. These 2 right here alone light up this entire shop at night. Now, I'm not saying they cover every dead spot, every dark spot or shadow in the shop, but they definitely can light it up and you can see everywhere in the shop. So if just those 2 do it, I know 15 of them is gonna work perfectly. So basically what comes in a package is you'll get your LED tubes, whatever size you get, just like that. They come with, I wanna say they came with 10 power wires like this, because you have the option to either plug them in the wall or you can actually hardwire them into whatever your electrical, whatever you decide, either this way or that way. These things can be connected like so with these little end cap things. You basically put it in the end like this, and then you can hook another one directly to the back of that one. But to power it, you'll either use your power cord or whip. That'll plug in just like so, or you use this one. And they also come with, let me show you. They also come with these. These are 4-foot long. It's an extra little whip if you're gonna connect, let's say you wanna connect one light to another light that's over there. You can basically daisy chain them together like this. So per Barina's instructions, it says do not link more than 6 lights together on one strip. So 6 is the most they recommend you daisy chaining. So that works out perfectly because we got 15 of them. So we do one side of the shop 6 linked together, the other side of the shop linked together 6, and then one row in the middle with 3. It'll work perfectly. Oh, let me show you guys how we're gonna mount them. They come with this little pack of clips and screws. We won't use the screws because the screws are for wood. We're gonna need some self-tapping metal screws, but they come with these little See if the camera will focus in on it. These little U-clips like this. And basically this clips around the metal part of the light. You can see got this metal side running on the bottom of it. Basically, this will take it. You take this and it'll clip around it like that, and this will go up to whatever you're mounting it to. So it's handy that they provide you with all the clips, pretty much everything you need besides some self-tapper screws. But they do provide screws if you're gonna be installing these on wood. So the screws that I'm using are number 8 self-tapper screws. They're 1/2 inch self-tappers. Picked them up from Lowe's. I'm sure you can get them from Home Depot as well. I don't know what the number will be, but these work perfectly because they fit in those little holes on those little clips perfectly. So those work out great. So let me stop talking and let's get to installing these things. Alright guys, we finally got the lights finished up. It's gotten dark, so I can finally show you guys how bright the lights really are. As you can see, it's pitch black almost. I got this light on under the carport, but I'm gonna walk inside and show you guys how dark it really is. You can see we're losing light right now as I walk to the shop. I'm gonna turn my flashlight on my phone. But go walk in, close that door. And you can see it's pitch black. All the doors are closed. I got my phone light on, so I'm gonna go over here and walk in there. Here, hold this. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What you guys think? It's pretty bright to me. You can see the light on the camera is amazing. These lights completely light up the shop from front to back, side to side, every angle. You can see we got all 15 of them up. Excuse these wires right here. Those will be hidden once we put the installation at the top. But you can see I tucked the rest of the wires up. They're not really seen like these are here are. I will tuck these a little later, but I wanted to show you guys the lights and how great they look. But the only thing is when the truck will be on the lift, you will have a little shadow spot under the truck, but you can't really help that. That's gonna be with any lights. We're just gonna have to use lights up under the truck if we need to, but you guys can see this. It's freaking bright as heck, and it looks, what you think?
Bright?
It looks good. So that's gonna be that's gonna wrap this video up, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't that long. I'm not sure if I remember how long it was, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't that long. But yeah, just want to show you guys the install of the lights and how they look and how great they work. So a link will be down below in the description for these lights. You guys check them out if you're in the market for shop lighting. They are awesome. I give my 100% stamp of approval. So you guys check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell. And I'll check you guys out in the next video. Peace.